Today, I will explain about General Ledger in Finance module of CUSCEN ERP. If we will talk about General Ledger, we need to start with Chart of Account and GL transaction. First of all, I will start explaining about Chart of Account. As you can see, the lists are the example of Chart of Account in company. If you want to use accounting on ERP, you have to create accounts in here. You can use Add button when you want to create Chart of Account. If you want to view the data of Chart of Account, you can select and click the View button. For the Edit button, you can modify the existing account. You can import mass upload of Excel file by clicking Import button when you don't want to create manually. The last one is Export button. As you can see, there are many accounts. If you want to export these accounts as Excel file, you can use the Export button. I will demonstrate on creating Chart of Account right now. For the account code, it is simple. You can type the created account code. You can choose the account type such as COGS, equity, expense or income. You can also choose for the account class as well. If the current account is balance sheet account, you have to mark here and as well as for the function like auto posting. You can fill the short description and long description as you like. When your current account is cash bank, you have to mark here. You can choose your preferred currency in currency code such as USD, MMK, or KHR. For the control account, you can select customer, vendor or fixed asset based on the current created account. The next one is dimension. You can map many dimensions on the current created account. For the example, you can map dimension based on your business flow by group code, area, country COA when you have different country. This is all about dimension function. If you're done with all of that, you can click the Save button to complete on creating a Chart of Account. Right now, it is time for GL transaction. When you want to create expense on your company's finance or transfer cash or by any kinds of finance transactions, you can use GL transaction. I will show you the way of creating a GL transaction by clicking the Add button. For the other buttons, they work same function as Chart of Account before. In journal type, you can choose actual or budget as your preferred. Right now, I will use it with actual. You can also attach the file, if you have original document reference and can fill the description as you favor. You can be set for posting date and posting period as you wish. The next one is item that you can see below at screen. Item is all about integrating account codes. For the example, I will create an expense transaction on this cash on hand of account code to clear things out. You have to fill the credit amount and can choose the cost center, project and tax code if you have it. After that, you can save the current process by click the check mark button. As you can see credit but balance will be minus because there is no debit. For that purpose, I will create another expense transaction for debit. Like transaction for credit, you can choose various options such as cost center, project, tax code and fill the debit amount as credit. After that, you can click the check mark button to save. At this moment, you can see the balance is zero, not like before because the credit and debit are equal. If you had passed all these steps, you are completed a GL transaction by clicking the Save button. After clicking the Save button, you can see the Save completed description. You can click the GL number for viewing the previous data that we created together. As you can see, status is posted now. This is all about GL transaction.